this is how you're going to be making money creating photo shoot. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be making your money creating your own photo shoot. Like, you don't need to have your equipment, you don't need anything at all to create this particular, to start making money with photo shoot. You don't need equipment. All you need is your phone, or all you need is your laptop. If you don't have laptop, you can still do this with your phone. And for those of you who are not in AC region, where you can sell to AC, what do they call it, Etsy market, that's Etsy market. If you can't sell there, you also have another alternative, and that alternative I will be giving you at the end of this video. Like, this is going to be making you huge amount of money selling photo shoots. Okay, now let me show you how to do. So all you need to do is come to your Chrome browser. Okay, you come to your Chrome browser, you tap on pinterest.com. so if you don't have Pinterest app, you can go to Chrome and do it, but I'll advise you get Pinterest app. Okay, so once you come to your Pinterest app, you let's say Pinterest. Okay, so it's going to be signing you in. Okay, so this is pinterest.com. you can still do this from Pinterest app. Okay, why is showing this is because I've already searched for things like this. Okay, so what you're going to do is come to your search bar. Okay, you come to your search bar. So when you're here on your search bar, you tap in, depends on the kind of photo you want to get, or the kind of photo you want to create. Okay, so what you need to do is now tap on it, then search for this tutorial. I'm going to like type in photo shoot, office photo shoot, because I need photos for my Facebook page and my YouTube too. I want to put in something else on my profile, so I will say, I'll ask office photo shoot. Someone already searched for this office photo shoot idea, so you can come here. Okay, so you can use this for birthdays, you can use this for birthdays, you can use it for branding your brand, any kind of thing at all. You can just use it even for clothing. Okay, so I'm going to look for someone who has same face as mine. So this person has, somehow my face looks similar to her face, so I'm going to like make use of her face. Okay, so let's just take more. I've already seen someone whose face looks somehow like mine, which is this person. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to download her face, or you can still check other people out. Okay, you can check other people's pictures and others. I'm loving this. I love this picture. Okay, so I'm going to download this picture right now. Okay, download image. You click on download image and it's going to download. So when it has downloaded, you can download as many as you want. Okay, as much as you want. That's how they say it, right? So as much as you want, you can download it. Okay, so let me see if I can download another one, then we'll go into creating it. Okay, so I think I love this one too. Just want something very simple. I don't want something that is not that simple. Okay, so I click here and I download. So after getting your photo shoot, you need to come to Gemini. Okay, you tap on Gemini. If you don't have Gemini, you can go to your Chrome browser and search for Google Gemini, or you can download the app. I'll advise you download the app. Okay, so you come to where it says Ask Gemini here. Okay, you're going to be seeing this plus sign here, so you tap on this plus sign and you go to your gallery. Okay, so you know the inspo you want, right? So I'm going to be taking this one that we just generated. Okay, we tap on done. Then you're going to be asking Gemini. Okay, you ask Gemini, ask it to generate the prompt. for this photo shoot. Okay, so once you have asked it to do this, you click on create and it's going to generate the prompt for this photo shoot. So to recreate this, so it has bring out, this is the master prompt now. Okay, it has given you what you need to do. So what I would advise you is you go through it in order for you to like recreate it. Okay, you go through it. So now what you need to do is you copy on this master prompt. Okay, you copy on it, you go through it, read it. Her makeup is a soft glam. Like, just go through it, make sure it's like this, then you copy it. And still here on what was it called, Gemini, you come to this place beside this plus sign, this place beside the plus sign, and you tap in this place and you see where it says create image. You tap on create image. Okay, so you're going to be bringing in your photo or your client's photo. Like I said earlier, that I will be showing you how you are going to be making money with this particular generation of photo shoot. So you can still go and like get people. You can be posting this on your WhatsApp, or you can be posting this on TikTok. Like, if you have client, you have people who you are already with. Okay, so I'm going to be picking this particular image, and I'm going to enter that image, this particular image, to recreate it. So I'm going to be entering my prompt here. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate. Okay, so while we wait, what you need to do is get yourself your WhatsApp. You have people, you have groups where you are inside WhatsApp. Okay, so what you need to do is tell them you are into photo shoots. Like, they should send their pictures for you to like recreate for them. Okay, so as you can see, this is me. This is me right now. You see, this is me, and this is exactly my face and everything. It's just generated. If you look at this face and this face, there is nothing different from it. Okay, so I'm going to like click here, click on the photo, then you see where it says save. Click on the photo and you see where it says save, then you save it. Okay, you save it. So this is how you're going to be generating other ones. Okay, this is how you're going to be generating other ones. Then you tell people you do this, like they should send you their images or their photos for you to recreate for them. No need of them going to what is it called, Photoshoot or studio to create images. Okay, or to get photos. So you can charge them. You can even make this your page on Facebook. You can create this on your, like, as a page on your Facebook, and you start making money from it. It's easy peasy. Okay, you recreate their photos and you get paid for it. And for those who are in where a place where Etsy is actually working, they can also create these images and sell them on Etsy. Okay, you create these images and you sell them on Etsy. So